Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today we are back with another video in the Let's Niche Down. So this is something that I decided to do. I have been enjoying doing these videos, and today's keyword or niche is coffee. So we all know that coffee is such a huge niche. So let's see if we can niche down to where we can find something that sparks the interest or sparks something. Now, know that when you do research, you may run into brick walls. You may change your mind. You may go dig a little deeper. So that is what research is. You research, you niche down, you add niches together until you found something that you can create in that has pretty good competition. Oh, excuse me. Well, it's competitive, but can also make you some money, okay? So it needs to be something that everyone's looking for. So also, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. And let's get into it. All right, so I'm just gonna go off the back and hit coffee. So right off the back, I see a lot of the things that say like coffee cups, coffee tea grinders. I'm gonna hit the space bar, see if I see anything else. Oh wow, coffee for men enhancement sex. Okay, that's a little deep there. So let's see if they have any like coffee gifts. So coffee gifts for women, coffee lovers, baskets for daughter, for couples, for woman birthday. So let's see what the coffee gifts for couples bring up. So this is just our first kind of go at it. And it says about 10,000 search results here. And just the, coffee gifts for couples. So it's a lot of 2 mugs. What else? Like Miss and Mr. Little funny things. So let's go down. Let's see what we can find. Coffee gifts for couples t-shirt. So let's see what, didn't get a space in between that. So let's see what we can find if we put the word t-shirt in there. All right, so I put t-shirt in there. We got 578 results. So of course it's not all t-shirts at first. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the all button. And I am going to go down to clothing. I think I need to delete some stuff off my computer. Getting kind of thick and slow. So we have coffee gifts for couples t-shirt, and I'm going to look in clothing. So about 861. Not bad. So there's a lot of like, oh, this is so cute. The coffee and donut latte. Kawaii designs. That's super cute. So cute. I like that. That's cute. So these are super cute. I love that this is a coffee, like a couple shirt. Donut and coffee better together. So these are really cute. They look like a lot of Valentine's Day designs. If I'm not like, if you can tell, I see like a lot of red, purples, and pinks. So not a lot of them were. So it's like the coffee stuff stopped. No, there's more, but not a lot. This one is just like an outer design of like the coffee and donut. Okay, so that can be possible. That can be possible. Let's look at journals. And let's go to books. And let's see what we have there. And then I think I have an idea for another niche to add. So this coffee gift for couples, journals. Definitely don't see much. So I see a few, but not like, yeah. So that one's kind of a bust, but I kind of have an idea. So let's see if we can add coffee with work from home. Just because I know a lot of people work from home. So I'm gonna do coffee work from home shirt. So let's see. So 325, and that's in the all section. So it says work from home, fuel, employee of the month. So has a little monkey with the coffee, work from home. Then it's like work from home mugs. So that looks like something that can do a little something in the t-shirt business. Okay. But by adding coffee to it, you may have niched down a little bit more for the coffee drinkers. So let's go ahead and just look in clothing. So that was 325 search results in all. Let's see what happens when we hit just clothing and see if that niches it down anymore, because I think this can work. You can do lots of funny jokes with coffee. So we got down to 166. So we see some of the same things. It looks like this one is sold, and this one with the little funny monkey and the work from home coffee. Okay. So I think you can get in here and make some really unique designs to compete with kind of what is already there, and do something with that. So I want to go to Etsy real quick and do coffee work from home shirt. So let's see what's going on Etsy. Okay, so it says 446 search results, but so far as I can see, doesn't really mention coffee, but they do have a lot of work from home shirts. Okay, so a lot of work from home shirts, not a lot that mention coffee. So, well, this one says coffee and sweatpants, which is cute. Okay, here's someone with a desk, employee of the month. Okay, so there's a possibility that we can do coffee pursuit for my telecommute. That's super cute. Morning commute with the coffee, the bed, and the couch. I like that. So there is definitely a chance to do something with that niche. Just depends on how you approach it. And then you can also switch that out for tea, for the tea drinkers. But I think this has some potential. Not sure how profitable it would be, but the coffee work from home niche could work really well if done well. So like I said, that one with the little monkey, super cute. Looks like it could do some numbers as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this niche down live research, and I hope you have been enjoying the Let's Niche Down series. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.